Can your bank help you build wealth? Let's talk EQ Bank. Ever dreamed of turning your savings into something bigger? Maybe you've seen friends or family talk about investing, but the whole thing seems shrouded in mystery. Stocks, bonds, mutual funds, it's enough to make your head spin. Now, what if I told you there might be a way to invest directly through your bank? That's the question we're tackling today. We're diving deep into EQ Bank, a popular challenger bank in Canada, to see if they can be your one-stop shop for saving and growing your money. EQ Bank, a disruptor in the banking world. Let's rewind a bit. Traditional banks have long been the gatekeepers of our finances. They hold our savings accounts, offer loans, and maybe even a basic investment product or two. But recently, a new wave of financial institutions called challenger banks have emerged. These online-based banks offer a different approach, focusing on high-interest savings accounts, lower fees, and a more user-friendly experience. EQ Bank is a prime example. Launched in 2016, they've quickly gained popularity for their no-frills, high-interest savings accounts. But the question remains, can you actually invest through EQ Bank? The truth about investing with EQ Bank. Here's the short answer: no, EQ Bank doesn't offer its own investment platform. Unlike some other challenger banks, they currently focus solely on providing high-interest savings accounts and lending products. This might be a disappointment for those hoping for an all-in-one solution. But hold on, before you hit that unsubscribe button, there's more to the story. While EQ Bank itself doesn't handle investments directly, they do play a valuable role in your overall financial strategy. Let's explore how. EQ Bank, the launchpad for your investment journey. Think of EQ Bank's high-interest savings account as your financial springboard. With rates consistently higher than the national average, it's a fantastic place to park your cash and watch it grow faster than in a traditional bank account. This gives you a solid foundation to build your investment portfolio from. Here's the logic. By maximizing your savings account interest, you can accumulate more capital to invest. Every dollar you save today is a dollar you can put towards stocks, bonds, or other investment vehicles later. It's a simple concept, but the power of compound interest can significantly increase your investment potential over time. Beyond the savings account, building your investment strategy. So, if EQ Bank isn't your investment platform, where do you go from here? The good news is, you have options. Here are a couple of paths to consider. Self-directed investing. This is where you take control and research investment options like individual stocks and exchange-traded funds, ETFs. There are numerous online brokerages that offer user-friendly platforms and educational resources to help you get started. However, self-directed investing requires time, research, and a certain level of risk tolerance. Robo-advisors, these automated investment platforms use algorithms to create a personalized investment portfolio based on your goals and risk tolerance. They're a great option for beginners or those who want a hands-off approach. Robo-advisors typically charge lower fees than traditional financial advisors, making them an attractive alternative. EQ Bank, a solid first step, but do your research. Remember, EQ Bank is a springboard, not the final destination. It's a fantastic tool to boost your savings and build a solid financial base. But when it comes to investing, you'll need to venture out and explore other platforms. Before you jump in, do your research. Read articles, watch educational videos like this one, and compare different investment platforms. Consider consulting with a financial advisor for personalized guidance, especially if you're a complete beginner. The final word, building wealth takes time and planning. There's no magic bullet when it comes to investing. It takes time, discipline, and a well-defined strategy. EQ Bank can be a valuable tool in your financial arsenal, but remember, it's just one piece of the puzzle. So, explore your options, educate yourself, and build an investment plan that aligns with your goals and risk tolerance. With the right approach, even your everyday bank can play a role in helping you achieve financial success. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.